Credit Sesame Honest Review. Watch before using. Credit Sesame is a well-known platform designed to help users monitor and improve their credit scores, manage debt, and offer personalized financial advice. In this review, I'll break down the key features, who it's best for, and my honest take on the platform. First, Credit Sesame offers free credit score tracking using data from TransUnion, and it updates monthly, which is handy if you want a basic understanding of your credit health. It also provides insights into the factors affecting your score, like credit usage, payment history, and inquiries. One of its standout features is the free credit monitoring alerts, which notify you of significant changes to your credit report. This is a solid tool for anyone looking to protect themselves from identity theft or fraud. Beyond credit tracking, Credit Sesame offers a personalized debt analysis tool, which can help you understand how to pay down debts faster or find better loan options. If you're looking for credit cards, loans, or mortgage options, the platform also suggests tailored offers based on your credit profile. However, this is where the platform feels more like an ad-driven service, so be mindful of that. While the basic version is free, the premium version, called Credit Sesame Platinum, includes daily score updates, more detailed credit report insights, and identity theft protection. But this comes at a monthly fee. Credit Sesame is ideal for anyone looking for a free, simple way to monitor their credit score. But if you need more advanced tools or more frequent updates, the paid version might be necessary. For someone serious about improving their credit, the free version feels somewhat limited. Overall, it's a decent tool for beginners or those casually tracking their credit, but it lacks the depth that serious users might require. Consider what you need before fully diving in.